Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change stores. You must first cancel your Apple Music subscription on your Apple device. So guys, if you are trying to change your country or region on your device but you are facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you change your country or region. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this issue and that will help you to change your country or region. So guys, the first way to change your country region after this problem is that you have to open settings, and after this open your profile, tap on subscriptions and wait here for some seconds, and from here you will see your Apple Music subscription. So guys, you have to simply cancel your Apple Music subscription, or if you are unable to cancel it, then you will have to wait until the subscription is over. So guys, do this, and after this you will automatically be able to change your country or region. So guys, the second way is that you have to simply go back and tap on your profile, scroll it below all the way, and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time. And after this you have to restart your device and change your country or region without your Apple ID. So guys, sign out your Apple ID from your device, and after this you will be able to change your country or region without your Apple ID. And once you change your country or region without your Apple ID, after this you will have to sign in your Apple ID again in your device. So guys, these are the two ways that you can follow to change your country or region if you're also facing this issue. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.